Remote-controlled, RC, boats bring a unique blend of fun and excitement to water activities, especially for pool enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned RC hobbyist or a beginner, there's an RC boat model suited to every skill level and interest. From high-speed racers that zip across the water surface to innovative models featuring underwater capabilities, the world of RC boats for pools offers a wide array of options. In this exploration of the best RC boats for pools in 2024, we'll delve into the top models available, examining their features, performance, and suitability for different types of users, ensuring you find the perfect match for your aquatic adventures. Number 1. DRCH-120 Fast RC Boat for Pools and Lakes. The DRCH-120 is a remarkable high-speed RC boat, ideal for both adults and kids, capable of racing across water at speeds up to 20 miles per hour. It stands out with its advanced 4-channel 2.4 GHz remote control, boasting a 150-meter signal range. The boat's capsize recovery function is a highlight, ensuring it remains upright and navigable even when flipped over. This feature, along with its double-hatch design, makes it a superb choice for RC enthusiasts of all levels. Additionally, the low battery alarm is a practical addition, alerting users when the boat needs to return to avoid control loss. The package includes not only the boat but also a remote control, battery, screwdriver, and other essential accessories like a USB charger and anti-collision head. The DRCH-120, however, is not suitable for saltwater use. It's a perfect gift, offering thrilling high-speed boating experiences for users aged 14 and up. Number 2. Force One Velocity Fast RC Boat for Pools. The Force One Velocity RC boat is a versatile and high-speed option for both adults and kids, ideal for pools and lakes. Its standout feature is the ability to dive underwater, creating a unique and exciting RC experience. The boat comes with a smart 2.4 GHz remote control, capable of a 100-meter range, and includes 2 rechargeable batteries. It's equipped with user-friendly features like a low battery alarm, easy controls, capsize recovery mode, and a high-capacity battery for extended playtime. However, it's limited to freshwater use and requires additional AA batteries for the remote. Durable and safe for all ages, the Force One Velocity offers a fresh and engaging take on traditional RC boating. The boat is equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote control, capsize recovery, low battery alert, and 2 rechargeable batteries. While it's limited to freshwater use and has a relatively short playtime per charge, its durability, ease of control, and unique diving feature make it a great choice for both kids and adults looking for an adventurous RC experience. Number 3. Alteri A102 Red Remote Control Boat for Pool. The Alteri A102 Red RC boat is a thrilling and high-performance option for water enthusiasts. Capable of reaching speeds up to 30 km per hour thanks to its powerful 390 size brushed motor, it's suitable for pools, lakes, and rivers. Its anti-capsize hull system and safety features like the out-of-range and low battery alarms enhance user confidence and control. The build quality is impressive, offering durability for extended play. Each boat includes 2 7.4 volts 1500 mAh Li-ion batteries and is ready to use right out of the box. Alteri's commitment to high-quality, customer-centric products is evident in the AA102, making it an excellent choice for RC boat enthusiasts. It's designed for versatility and can be used in pools, lakes, and rivers. The boat features an anti-capsize system and safety alarms for low battery and range, ensuring a worry-free experience. Number 4. Shark-Cool H106 Remote Control Boat for Pool. The Shark-Cool H106 RC boat stands out with its high-speed capabilities, reaching up to 20 miles per hour, thanks to its powerful water-cooled magnetic motor. It's equipped with advanced 2.4 GHz remote technology, ensuring efficient control and speed variation. This boat is particularly user-friendly, featuring capsize recovery and UA autocorrection, making it easy to handle for both kids and adults. The rechargeable high-capacity battery allows for 15 to 20 minutes of playtime, outlasting many competitors. Its remote control is multifunctional, displaying various settings including a low battery alarm to prevent losing the boat. Ideal for pools and lakes, the Shark-Cool H106 offers an exciting and reliable RC boating experience. It features advanced remote control technology with capsize recovery and auto-correction functions, making it easy to operate for both adults and kids. The boat comes with a water-cooled engine and a rechargeable battery that offers a decent playtime of 15 to 20 minutes. Number 5. Force One Wave Speeder RC Boat for Kids. The Force One Wave Speeder RC boat is an excellent choice for both kids and adults, offering fun and excitement with its powerful dual motors and easy-to-use 2.4 GHz remote control. It has a notable range of 160 feet and can operate multiple boats simultaneously without interference. Designed for beginners, it boasts simple controls, a watertight body, and a high-capacity battery that provides up to 20 minutes of playtime per 90-minute charge. The boat is durable and suitable for freshwater environments but not for saltwater. It includes a USB charging cable and rechargeable battery, although AA batteries for the remote are not included. A unique feature is its water-sensing design, ensuring safety and preventing operation out of water. The product comes with a satisfaction guarantee, making it a risk-free purchase for an enjoyable RC boating experience.